Morning team, it's Wednesday, halfway through the week, September 6th. The first day that we got some news. I don't know how relevant is that, but also during the day there are small ones. So can be like a slightly more entertaining session day, let's say. Anyway, bearish price action keep being the protagonist of the week. Yesterday close again, leaving no room for doubts. I say that I saw this wing low and I thought that they can maybe raid and push it a little bit. Instead they close below. Doesn't mean that we cannot push higher today or tomorrow, but it's another sign that they want to go down, you know. So they keep BMSing every single swing low they find on the way, like, you know, like every single one. There are literally like, you cannot go wrong, you know, like, I mean, it's a bearish price action. That said, I don't know. It's not like I gonna blindly short. Yesterday, blindly shorting would have worked out. Also, the on the time frame was super bearish, but I don't know, I missed the opportunity in London Open and I felt like chasing, so I didn't take any trades, but I don't care. So, oops, what I did? Fuck, what is that? Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's go to hourly charts. Yeah, H12, the same thing of this wing low got BMS. Now we are again still at support. Yes, there is still not like a real reversal on any hourly charts. Yeah, H1 start to give some sign of recovery, but still like super early. Also, the real swing is this one that need to be broken to have at least an hourly shift, you know. I mean, this one is okay, but it doesn't say anything to me. But let's go to the time frame because I want to show you something. I think that we can see some recovery today, and then let me explain you why. I always do this. I go back in time. Look at this. This was like an untested origin from back in June, and that sent the charts higher, like 80 pips. But this is not like the most relevant thing. The most relevant thing is that they BMS this old resistance and say like, okay, we're gonna go higher, and then it never got tested, you know. Look, if you go on H4, maybe it's you go on 2 hours or 4 hours, it's cleaner. Anyway, you know, I'm a fan of like doji and inside candle. Here there was a lot of price action and it was never tested, you know. Look, for example, there's one green chart. I'll show you. Oops. Look, let me show you something. Look at this. Support, big spike, tested. Support, tested. Support, tested. Support, never tested, you know, never. So I know euro, it's super, look, it's like fucking clean. Look at this, support, tested here, you know. All this support has been tested yesterday and before. This one has been not. And I know I don't trade like this, guys. I don't take trade because based on this untested support back in June, okay? I don't do that. But I know that euro, when find such a support, there was, you know, on a reversal area, such an important level, offered some sort of reaction. This is like this was like a bottom, you know, like I think it was a weekly bottom. Oops. Yeah, this was like a weekly bottom, you know. This was like important, you know, like the fucking bottom of 600 pips move. So that said, let's resume the conversation. I'm not saying that I'm gonna get long here, but I wouldn't be surprised if we bounce, you know, from these levels. I wouldn't be surprised at all, because even though the price action is bearish, we don't go down in a straight line. Many times they they come back up, and you know, offered some extra opportunity if we get lucky today. I don't know. Right now M15 is pushing up. Technically M15 turned bullish. Technically, because it's not like super clear. Just this wing low got BMS. Sorry, this wing high. This one. So I don't know. It's still too early. I don't want to get long. For me to get long, I need this one to go. If this level goes, you know, like this area, maybe, if I see something like this, let's say I see this, then we go higher. With BMS, then maybe something like this I can see. There are reasons to go higher, you know, there are reasons. They left big fair value gaps all the way up. All the way up, yes. Yeah, not that I'm bullish, but you know, I also would love some pullback to get in. I don't feel comfortable to short bottoms inside full support. That's the way I trade, and you know, for me to become bearish again, yeah, maybe if this one goes, I will be super happy to be bearish. This is the order block. They broke, let's say, this wing high, you know, this support. If this goes, I'm super happy to short again to hell, you know. Why not? Something like this, I'm happy to short. This one goes, we go down. So that's what I see. Pivotal area and pivotal area for the longs and pivotal area for shorts. Can't get any more simple, you know. This one is the one that the holding price down. This one are the guys that try to push it up. Let's see who wins. It's still early to say, but I'm gonna post more charts later in the Telegram group as always. Have a nice day, guys. See you tomorrow with a new video and later in the chat. Ciao.